Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and import products into your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, just go right here to shopify.com and you are going to go and be greeted by the main page from there. If you have already not logged into your Shopify account and to your store, in the upper right corner you are going to go ahead and be able to see the option to go ahead and either sign up for an account if you do not already have one or to log into an existing one. So once you've logged in and opened up your store, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we can get started setting it up, and at the left side of the screen we can get started accessing all the settings we have. And as you can see, one of the sections we can access is called products. This is what you want to open up. By opening up products, it's going to go ahead and open up this new main menu right here, from where we can get started adding our products to your store. So we can either find products to sell using sourcing apps or import our own products. As you can see here, we have the import button. By clicking the import button guys, this is either going to enable you to import data from another platform or upload a Shopify formatted CSV file. So you can choose whichever option you prefer. You can click next and it's going to go and enable you to choose what platform you're going to go ahead and be using for implementing your products. You're going to go and be able to see the applications that are going to enable you to do so. So you're going to install them, add them to your store and use them to import your products, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.